Hi, I'm Derek from Liminal. In this video, I'm going to show you how to better understand the buyers of your product in your market using the Persona Explorer in Liminal GTM. You can access this in GTM under Persona Explorer. Liminal has more than 11,000 persona profiles. Backed by first-party research from the Liminal research team, you can use the filters at the top to narrow your search. I'm going to use the use case filters to filter on account takeover as a use case. That narrows it down to 72 different personas. Here I have sub-verticals. I'm going to narrow this down by national banks. And now I'm looking at functional areas or departments within buyer organizations. I'm going to look inside the executive office. So now I've landed on a persona detail page. This one is for a decision maker in the executive office, focused on buying solutions in account takeover prevention within banking and a national bank. Got a description and ranking of key purchase criteria given Liminal survey data with buyers matching this persona. I can see that in this example, the top 3 purchase criteria that this persona cares about are analytical capabilities, ease of implementation, and scalability. If I'm selling in this market, these are my keys to win. Also research-backed frustrations, tailored objection handling, as well as this buyer's goals and requirements for a purchase decision. Studying this research isn't the only way to use it. Within Liminal meetings, if I select my account takeover prevention game plan and a meeting with a champion in risk at a national bank, I'll select that persona. I can learn more here about their key purchase criteria. Now on a sales meeting screen, when I'm meeting with someone in this persona, in that very moment, I can see the ranked key purchase criteria for this persona, as well as talking points that I should use when selling them a solution. I'm also given key in-the-moment talking points for frustrations and objection handling, matching this champion risk persona as well. That's Persona Explorer. Liminal has detailed persona information to help you make the sale. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.